Oh, guys. So, good afternoon, buddies. Hopefully, everybody is doing good. And I hope you had a good lunch. You coming as a, मतलब ahead, you not sitting here. मतलब ऐसा, I'm looking large. मतलब ऐसा, hashtag stop discrimination. But ऐसा, नहीं ना? I'm bore ना? ऐसा, okay. Huh? Okay. First bench, not habit. Yeah. It's okay. Many things are not habit in life. What happens? Okay. Before marriage, there was no habit. Matlab, I've never told my dad, mom that where I'm going, where I will come. Okay, but after marriage, you go outside without telling. Ma kasam. My wife is good, but I am too good. Okay. So nevertheless, so my friends, basically after the lunch, we'll be entering into one environment that is called SM, Strategic Management. Strategic Management is chapter one is basically covering with multiple elements. So first of all, okay, I'm just showing with how the chapter one should be understood and other things. Okay, right now, today and tomorrow, nothing will be there as a homework or something like that. But day after tomorrow, I'll tell you to go through some questions and other things which we'll be discussing in class the next day. So certain questions I will tell you to go through. Certain questions you need to evaluate, and what is the concluding point we can discuss from day after tomorrow. So today our basic structure will be to cover the portion of SM ka basics introduction. So I'm discussing certain things right now on the screen. Okay, so look onto it. I told you, matlab, this is your particular chapter one ka book will be there. Once I'll be writing certain things. Okay, so if you have a habit of writing, it's okay. If you don't have a habit, doesn't matter. It is not a prerequisite. It is only my way because this is how I communicate with you. Before the break or earlier two sessions which we have discussed was a basic introduction. So it was nothing to do as such like I want that prerequisite from you or something like that. Right now I'm starting actual content from chapter point of view. So my habit is to write and interact with you. So I'll be writing and interacting with you. Once that is done, okay, so basically you will come to know today's in 1.5 hours. Okay, after that we'll go through the notes. In notes we'll highlight some keywords to be focused by you. Okay, and we'll close the note ka session. So there will be two approach while we'll interacting. First, I will draw a charts or something like that, which will be on the screen. Once that is done, when that is concluded, we'll discuss, we'll remember the points, we'll remember the pointers, we'll recall the content. Revision will be done. Matlab, once understanding is done. And after that, okay, we'll open this volume 1, which is required, and we'll go through that particular specific content. This is how the approach will be there. During my interaction or when I'm not in textbooks and other things, okay, avoid using textbook. I can just tell avoid, okay, you may have a habit, but my main agenda will be you interact with me. Whatever point, what are the craziness you come to know, whatever question comes to know, okay, comes in your mind, discuss, close, and once that is closed, then we'll go in book. Book is not a big thing. There is no as such from my point of view that you'll be going home and studying another things content. I'll be telling you to read another things, except one or two points which I'll be telling you. The only thing which I expect from you will be okay. Once tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever I give you some questions from to be read from this book, I expect you will be reading it. You will be solving in mind. Okay, there's nothing else written. Okay, how the answer can come, what answers can come. Just conclude in that, and next day we can discuss it out. So while next day my work should be somewhat reduced, that's the only agenda. So it's up to you. Okay, so that's how the approach will be there. Chapter 1 will be your first chapter to start with. Chapter 4 will be second chapter. After that, chapter 3 and 2, part, I'll be doing it out. And once that is concluded, last 2.5 lectures or 2.5 days actually will be in chapter 5. One of the biggest chapter is chapter 5. One of the cumbersome chapter is chapter 5. Cumbersome matlab means it's a plenty of things has been involved in that chapter. If you ask me, first of all, no syllabus should be left. That for sure, very clear. I'm very clear on that part. Okay, I will never ever say leave the syllabus because two things are there, buddy. Please listen. One, I will give you a complete 1 hour revision to complete this book. 1 hour, if you can complete everything, then where is the point of living? And second, even if you want a conceptual discussion, okay, there will be four and a half hour Zoom revision which we'll be doing. Okay, everything is covered. So where is the point to leave the content? When the content should be left it? Okay, when I can say, "Arey yaar, leave it out or skip it out." When the content become cumbersome or voluminous. Here volume is very small, na? But at all, if you say, sir, then also I want, sir, ABC kind of thing, a very important or something like that. So always I use word LDR. LDR is basically last day revision. What I mean is basically with LDR, these are the questions which are very important from past few attempts. This question has been frequently asked. This question has been asked in in one or other way. So while reading the book, okay, please focus more on that question. But it doesn't represent the other question which is not marked LDR are not at all important. Okay, if you are having that approach that only LDR question I will do and non-LDR I will leave, okay, after May there is September, that for sure. I hope this is very clear. So then why LDR? Why LDR? I want you to focus on certain areas or certain questions like ratify. Everything should be aware. No single wording should be here and there. Okay, so ratify everything like anything. For that LDR question, ratify. For other questions, read, remember keywords, and go ahead. Don't worry if you are not able to recall everything. All head pointers I need to recall. All concepts I need to recall. Masala, content here and there is okay. You can write in your own words, own language. I'm not saying own words. Own words you can write here and there. No problem with it. The first concept is basically LDR. So while our session, you'll come across LDRs. But what is the outcome of LDR? I hope everybody is clear. LDR should be used only to focus on more important area, but it doesn't mean that non-LDR question are not at all important. Okay. First thing. Second, in our book, it is module based. It is an extracted from module. I am inspired from module. I hope you understood the language. I am inspired from module. Which module, sir? ICI. I hope everybody is aware. I am inspired from module. Reason simple because the institute is also expecting the module answer only. So our book is completely based on module. So, sir, from exam point of view or from anything, am I required to refer anything else? Answer is no. This is fair enough for everything. This question banks completely. 50 marks you can attempt toward. And one chart book which is in under preparation. Already old chart book is already shared, but that is under preparation. Okay, for certain amendments or modification. Okay, 10-page SM is there. I will share with you a soft copy. Whenever you are on go, I hope you are understanding. On go means example right now, December month, okay, January month, whenever, okay, you are just looking it out, look at the charts, just get the comfort zone, okay, at least you can remember some content. So while revising, you don't take major time. So book wise, you are not required to refer anything else. Acha, if at any point of time you think it is doubtful, sir, I should, you compare your module and this book. That's it. Fair enough. See, there are two sources. One source is your internal source. Right now, me is your internal. And external source is ICI. Compare internal and external sources. Get the confidence. This is how audit also is done. Audit, while doing audit also, we take a evidence from client, which is which source? Internal. And I get the confidence from outside. I compare and get the confidence. So if at all you get, you want to confidence, okay, you can compare it out. But my point of view, everything is covered. Okay, nothing extraordinary. Sir, any question which can come outside the syllabus? There is no concept of outside the syllabus. There is a concept of application-based case study. The answer which will not have in the book. There will be answer which need to be draft. Okay, answer we need to draft. Means you will not teach, sir. No, I will teach you. I will teach you. Example, I will teach you. Example I am showing on. Okay, to be very precise, I'll just show you one example by which you can connect it out how the things need to be done. Okay, I'm just going through a chapter 2. Okay, you can come to the chapter 2. Page number is 23. Page number 23. Sorry. Everybody on chapter 2, page number 23, buddy? Yes or no? Okay. Now look at the screen. Okay, or in your book, whatever. I am just discussing this one. I don't want you to remember the answer. I just want you what is expectation we need to create. So right now, okay, just understand. This interaction helps in strengthening the business firm and using its resource more effectively. It helps the business in following way. Which interaction it is saying? It says, do business to interact with environment. My question, okay, two analysis, do you remember? What are the two analysis, buddy? Organization and environment. Environment, which environment? Internal or external? So my question, do you think business and environment should interact with each other? Yes or no? Answer is yes, business and environment should interact. So by business and environment interacting, it helps in how many ways? So it helps in 5 ways, which is on the screen or notes. First head point is, it helps to determine, read the point, determine what? Opportunity and threats. Second point, give the direction for growth. Okay, just 2 points, 2 points. 5 points are there, everybody? How many points are there? 5 points are there. Okay, in this, okay, the interaction between business and its environment would explain opportunity and threats to the business. It helps to find new needs and wants of the consumer, changes in law, changes in social behavior, and tells what new products the competitors are bringing into market to attract consumer. Just go through reading it out. Okay, first point, read it out. What do you come to know? Determine opportunity and threats. Okay, by doing opportunity and threats understanding, we can interact with environment. We can come to know about, okay, see keywords kya hai? New needs, kiska? Who's? Consumer. Changes in law, changes in social behavior, and tells new product the competitors are bringing. I hope this point is understood. It's a general English. It is not a technical answer as such. Okay. Now, just showing you make a paper. Okay. May 24. Look at the question 5C. I want this first set, I want very clearly that you understand what exactly is happening with us, or you are going in a blind direction. I'm telling you, you can complete the syllabus, but at the end of the day, okay, you will be just taking care of some of the marks, not all the marks. Screen pay, everybody on the question. Yash. Okay, somebody Yash. In this class, anybody Yash? No Yash? Oh. Yash, huh? Yash actor. Yashas. Who is Yashas? Oh, hi buddy. So today, now you are not Yashas, you are Yash. Yash is planning. Yash is planning. Joking, huh? Everybody, I always joke, huh? Don't take it seriously. Huh, buddy? We don't want to create a crime patrol episode. Okay, Mumbai professor in Karnataka, in Udupi, and nahi, matlab if I say, why don't take it seriously? Yeah, matlab, oh, Yashas only, Yashas, Yash, Yash. Okay, clear, na? Don't take it seriously, buddy. My friends. Yash is planning to launch his new tech startup. Wow, wow. He is exploring different locations across the country to establish his company in the right business environment. One option is the city of Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, with an engaging network of entrepreneurs, investors, advisors, and mentors. Superb. How many data is given? Coupled with various subsidies for new ventures and tax benefits, Bangalore might be an ideal choice for Yash to establish his company and increase the chances of success. I hope everybody understood the first portion. Basically, he's going to Bangalore. He was searching various locations, but he found Bangalore is an optimum solution because of certain investors, arrangements, and other things, and Silicon Valley and something. First question: define the term. Which environment? Business environment. It is which environment? Internal or external? External. Definition I am not interested right now. So the 1 mark is gone for that. 1 plus 4. Marks are you able to see the marks? So 1 plus 4 with respect to the above scenario. Explain different ways in which interaction of business with its environment can be helpful in developing a successful strategy. So what are the benefits why Yash ka business should interact with environment? How many benefits are there? So in your books, the answer is there. How many benefits are there, buddy? 5. First benefit is determine opportunity and threats. I hope everybody has understood. So exactly, now if you ask me, this is an answer, but this is not an answer written by institute in their suggested answer. I will show you. Okay, suggested answer I will show you. Suggested answer is also covered in our module, booklet. Don't worry. But I'm right now showing you from Authenticate website, ICAI. So let's go on ICAI website. This is an ICAI website. I hope you are aware about ICAI website, everything. Okay, okay. Suggested answers. Suggested answers. I'm going intermediate, May 24. Paper financial management and SM. It was question number 5C. 5C, everyone. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going. This is question 5. 5A, B, C. This was a C question which we have read already. Yash planning. Clear? Clear, na? Okay. Now what is the answer? Look at the screen. My question, head point is same or not? Determine opportunity and threats. Head point same or not? Yes or no? Read the content and compare. Interaction with environment helps Yash identify new consumer needs, emerging threats, and potential market opportunities. This insight can guide the development of innovative products and services that meet market demands. Understanding changes in law, social behavior, competitor actions enable Yash to anticipate and mitigate potential threats, ensuring startup remains resilient and adaptive. This is what module has given, and this is what the institute has suggested answer is given. And this is not only one point. Okay, you want, you can check it out. Okay, even few of the points will be there. So what you understood? Okay, what you understood? The book which we are reading, and this is module only. This is nothing to do with an extraordinary. This is module. You compare the module. This is module only. But what is an expectation? They want the integration of question in that your answers, which is not written anywhere. Acha, you can say, sir, ek kaam karte, we'll do one thing. We can ratify this one. Okay, take it too. If you want to ratify, this book is having everything here. All question answers have been given. But do you expect the next question will be the similar? This has been discussed with a startup. Okay, it can come with a Tata, which we have discussed before the break. Tata want to start a business in that scenario. So what exactly expectation is there? What exactly we require? This is our base. This is our base. You are not required to change the base. But along with this, question 5, A, B, C, all three questions require integration of case study into your answers. All answers which we'll be discussing, if it is coming in question 5, A, B, C, once again I'm very clear, you compare 5, A, B, C will only change. You have this book also. Question 5, A, B, C will only change. 6, 7, 8, acha. Now somebody may ask, okay, what's your name? Akshat. Rakshit. Rakshat. 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 Rakshat may say, sir, do one thing. Okay, copy this answer only and paste in this and give us that notes. We'll remember this only. But if this question comes as question 8C, 8B, 888, question 8, direct question, explain what are the benefits of organization interacting with environment. In that scenario, what answer should be written then? This answer which you are reading it. This is a problem. So what exactly competency you require? What core competency you require? Other students ke comparison, if you compare it with you and other students, what exactly new knowledge you require? You require that every question answer can be an integrated question, and every answer ka theory may change. Every answer the theory may change. So this is what exactly our discussion comes. So my friends, and this is only happening in till now. How many attempts have been done? I discussed with you May 24, September 24, Jan 25, May 25, September 25. Jan 26 will happen before your examination. So for you, how many attempts experience will be there? Till now for 5 attempts, the experience is like this only. Question 5, A, B, C is a case study which have different answer. Question 6, 7, 8, all three is having book answers. Book answers. I hope this point, you are getting this point? Acha, I hope, tell me, did you understood what I want to convey to you? basically, even if we understood and ratify every answer, do you think in examination we need to write answer as it is for all questions? No. If it is a case study, if it is giving some data in that case study, we need to put that data along with the content which we are studying, from the book and data, we need to mix up or mash up, and we need to write the answer. And this require ratify skill? No. This require presence of mind while using that case study. That presence of mind need to be taken care of, because I can create that capability under you. I can create that capability. I can create a core competency in you. 100% I can create a capability, but applying a capability will be your skill set. So many times the question will come, but this happens with which question, buddy? Which question? Case study question. And case study question is in which question number? 5. 6, 7, 8 will be almost, it can also be a case study, but the case study will be a solvable case study. It is not integration wala case study. It answer will be direct answers. Case study can be there. 6, 7, 8 case study can be there, but the answer will be direct answer. Whatever you are studying in the class. I hope everybody clear. So in how many question your mind is required? Acha, MCQ class mein you need to be alert. That for sure. No other option is there without class. MCQ. But writing theory, how many questions your alertness or your mind is required? 3 questions. Are they 3 optional or compulsory? That's the problem. If it would be optional, we would have left that question and we have gone. Again, just remember it's a matter of 3 questions, but 3 questions can come from any of the chapter. So in all chapter, our perception should be that way. Okay. So 2 things I made you clear. First, LDR. Everybody clear with LDR? Second scenario, okay, whenever I'm discussing any questions and other things, and I'm telling you this can come as case study based, what is the interpretation of that? This question can come as a case study base. What is the interpretation of that? Okay, I'm explaining you one concept now. Okay, next moment I will be explaining you one concept. And I'm telling you this question can come as a case study base also. First thing should come in mind is this question will be part of question 5 ABC. Everybody? Yes or no? And second, what is the logic? The logic will be here whatever answer we are learning in the class may require modification. My friends, yes or no? May require modification. May require modification. I hope this point is very clear. Pakka? Okay, so I hope this agenda is clear. So everybody, we are on same page. So can we start the content? I have not started the content yet. Now I am starting the content. So my friends, define SM. Define SM. What is SM? It is a managerial process of define. Page number I will tell you. If you are looking at out a page number, I will discuss this on 4. Help me out. What is the define SM? I'm not in book, but if you want to look out, you look out. But I'm not in book. I'm on screen and my interaction. So next half an hour with me only, and then we'll go through the books. So help me out. Define SM. It's a managerial process of developing strategic vision. Word. Strategic vision. Setting objectives. Crafting strategy. Implementing and evaluating strategy. And initiating corrective actions nahi, adjustments when needed. I hope this point is very clear. ठीक है. अच्छा. Before that, I hope everybody is able to recall this one. So my question is, this SMK steps. Where is the SMK? Sir? This SMK steps. Okay. This how many steps are there? Everybody on the screen. Okay. Evaluation and taking corrective action. It means again doing the analysis, again redesigning the strategy, again implementing, and so on. So this is one-time activity or cyclic activity. Cyclic means what? So SM is one-time process or repeat process. You need to do only one time or again and again. What can be one example that SM need to be performed again and again? One example we have studied since morning. One example that SM is required again and again. Not company's example, our SM ka example, SM ka discussion. Adaptive. Okay, reactive. Do you remember reactive? What is the meaning of proactive and reactive? What is the meaning of proactive? Okay, first I do plan and then develop a strategy. In reactive, I'm adapting the changes which has taken place in environment. When I'm saying adapting the changes, means I'm again studying the environment and adapting the strategy. So proactive and reactive. So first question, okay, is literally to close on it. My first question, everyone on the screen, help me out. Strategic approach. Everybody, strategic approach. How many strategic approach are there? How many strategic approach are there? Everybody with me. How many strategic approach are there towards developing a strategy? Please make sure, okay, it is not a steps. How many corporate level strategies are there? How many corporate level strategies are there? 4. How many business level strategies are there? 3. How many strategic approach are there towards developing a strategy? 2. Strategic approach. I've used the word clearly. Clearly, I'm using the word clearly. Strategic approach. It is not a strategy. Proactive, reactive is not a strategy. It is an approach to develop a strategy. So in examination, if approach word comes, remember, be clear, they are not asking any strategy. They are asking approach. So how many approach are there, buddy? 2 approach. What are the 2 approach? Proactive approach. Name change. Name change. What first approach is? And second name is reactive. Okay. I will do the environment analysis. I will do the internal analysis. Okay. After that, I will develop a strategy. Is which approach? I will do analysis. Okay. I will do internal analysis. I will do external analysis. After that, I will develop a strategy. Proactive. There may be a changes in environment because we cannot predict environment as it is. We cannot predict environment as it is. So there is changes in environment, and therefore I will change my strategy. Okay, this is called which approach? Reactive. Changes in law regulation took place, and therefore I modified my strategy. Reactive. I am aware that it may happen that government may bring new law and regulation, and for that purpose, now only I started preparing alternatives. Proactive. I hope this 2 points very clear. Huh? We spent good time on this point. Everybody clear? Okay. This can be also a concept of case study. This can be also a concept of case study. Okay, proactive and reactive. Let's focus on it. Let's focus on it. And just be real. Huh? Today, tomorrow. Okay, you are in chapter 1. I want you to adapt with what is expectations. Don't go with traditional theory. If you are going with traditional theory, tata, bye-bye. I'm telling you. If you are going with traditional theory, it's a blunder which will happen. So understand. So I hope this point is very clear. Take care. Okay. Come to the book. Acha, let's 2-3 things I will close it out. After that book pe aate hain. Okay. Proactive and reactive. Okay. Tell me, okay, my strategy should be proactive or reactive? So I should not be reactive. Acha, out of proactive and reactive, which is better? Out of proactive and reactive, which is better? Okay. And general parlance, if I'm asking general parlance, which is better? I should be only proactive. Yani any acha, sir, what is the meaning of proactive? Once again clear. Changes in environment I'm expecting, and I'm developing a strategy. Do you think environment will change exactly how I was expecting, or it may change like anything also? So I will I keep the same strategy, or will I need to change the strategy again? So help me out. Should I be proactive or reactive? Should I be proactive or reactive? Remember this one. It okay. Best one is the blend of proactive and reactive. What is the meaning of blend? Partly proactive, partly reactive. So help me out. Okay, so what should be the strategic approach in organization? Acha, my first question. How many strategic approach are there? 2. What are the 2 strategic approach? Proactive, reactive. Acha, everybody with clear now word approach. So how many approach, strategic approach are there? 2. Proactive, reactive. Which strategic approach is better? You will never say proactive, reactive. You will be saying blend of proactive, reactive, or the other word can be partly proactive, partly reactive. But if I ask you which is best in proactive and reactive, the answer will be. If I ask you out of these 2, which is best one? Out of these 2, which is best one? I'm asking out of these 2, which is best one? Proactive. Okay, so you will not be writing reactive. I hope this point is very clear. Yes or no? Yeah, okay. Take your time. Okay, and this is there in notes. This is only I told you. I don't want right now you will going notes. Okay, I'm just discussing it out. Okay, can you define me what is proactive? Proactive first of all. Organization doing analysis. Which two analysis? Analysis, and after that developing a strategy is called proactive. And if already changes in environment is there and organization is adapting that changes and developing a strategy is called reactive. Everybody clear? Okay, understood. I hope this point is very clear. Okay, whatever content is there in book, leave it out. Okay, look at the question number 5. So it is always a case study. What is meaning of case study? Whatever I will teach you in class, that is only you will write. Integrating the content of question into answer. Okay, screen pay 5B. Everybody. Okay, and this is there in volume 3 and volume 2. Don't worry. But the only thing is right now I don't want that books to be opened by you. So everybody on the screen. Acro Limited. Company's name. Acro. Anybody name Acro? Acro. Yeah, friend Fakro. Acro. Akshay, na? Akash. Not correct. Acro Limited is e-commerce company that specializes in selling eco-friendly products. Okay, eco-friendly products. Although the company has been doing well. Company is doing well, buddy. It still continues actively to strengthen its brand identity. Okay, what is the meaning of this line? Can anybody help me out? Although company has been doing well. What is the meaning of this line? Company is doing well or not? What is the meaning of that? Company is in well. Profits are there. Is profit hampered? No. Company is doing well means there is no problem, there is no issue, there is no threat in market, there is no worry in market. Company is doing well. I hope this is clear. Yes or no? Then also it still continues actively to strengthen its brand identity. It still continuing. Brand identity strengthen karna. Matlab it's advertise वगैरह brands. Launch creative and impactful marketing campaigns. It is launching good marketing campaigns and introduce new and innovative eco-friendly products. So first paragraph is this one. Can I assume the first paragraph is clear? So what is the first paragraph outcome? One company is there. Which company? What is the name of company? Acro Limited. Okay, and it is into which products? Eco-friendly products. And eco-friendly products they are delivering. Are they doing good or not? Are they having good market share or not? Okay, then also they are. Acha, you are able to see or not? Then also they are what they are doing. Are they doing brand? Are they taking care of new products? Marketing campaigns? Perfect. First point very clear. Okay, what does it mean? What can you conclude till now? How much learning is done on today's basis? What do you conclude? Acro Limited is doing what? Proactive. It's very proactive. Even if my market share is not compromised, then also launching new things. Then also launching new ways. Then also launching a new creative products. Already my product is running. Okay, then also I am very proactively involved. That why I will bring new products. So proactive. I hope this proactive is clear. Shift. Can we shift on next part? Okay, read next part. However, the company has started facing increasing competition from large retailers. Now competition started now. And competition started who are entering the eco-friendly space. Retailers are entering into this space. To face competition, the company quickly started to adapt to the changing market conditions, analyze the competitor strategy, adopt different styles of marketing in response to competitors' action, and counteract competitors' pricing strategy. Okay, how many points you are looking out? Okay, To face competition, I am on the screen with this yellow color. To face competition, I hope everybody is able to see. To face competition, a company quickly started to adapt. What is the meaning of adapt? They started to adapt means what? They started to react. Changes in environment condition, they started to react. Now, how they reacted? How they reacted to changing condition? Okay, they adapted market condition. Second, analyze they adopt different style of marketing and also counteract competitors pricing strategy. Bhai Saab, Bharat Mata ki hai. I hope understood. Read the question and answer. 5 marks. Discuss the strategic approaches taken by Acro Limited in 2 different situations to stay competitive. Again, I'm discussing very clear word. Make sure many students have confused in this. Discuss the strategic approach. They are not as asking discuss the strategy. Discuss the strategy is a different question. Discuss the strategic approach is a different question. How many strategies we have discussed till now since morning? Strategies. How many types of strategy we have discussed in morning? One is corporate level strategies. One is business levels. So corporate level strategies, how many were there? 4. And business level? So total strategies, 7. They are not asking discuss the strategy. They are asking discuss the strategic approach. Am I clear till here? So whenever strategic approach comes into picture, what is the question? What is the question? Proactive and reactive. So tell me, okay, this discuss the strategic approach. Discuss the strategic approach taken by Acro Limited in the 2 different situations to stay competitive. Explain the strategy that Acro should adopt in future to remain competitive and gain competitive advantage. Kitna? How much marks? And how it is divided by 1 plus 1 plus 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, discuss the strategic approach in the 2 different situations. This is 1 mark question. And the 3 mark question will be explain the strategy. Explain the strategy. Approach, no. You will be doing the end with blunder. This is having 2 questions in all. One question, one part of question which is marked. Okay, I will mark in yellow. Okay, I will mark in yellow, and one I will mark in pink. Okay, I know it will be very early to ask the pink wala, but you are aware to the some extent. But before that, okay, help me out. Yellow wala answer. Give me an yellow wala answer. Discuss the strategic approach. Okay, taken by Acro Limited. What is the strategic approach in 2 different situations? Proactive and reactive. So what you will write in content? Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Discuss the strategic approach taken by Acro in 2 different situations. Okay, this is irrelevant right now because this is question 5 and they are asking from the case study point of view. So help me out. Acro answer everybody got is correct. Proactive and reactive. Oh my good friends. First of all, okay, 2 question differentiate. First is the yellow wala question. Discuss strategic approach. How many strategic approach are there? Proactive and reactive. Clear? But what should be the masala? Content. 1 mark is not for only one word. What content you will write? Acha, will we write like this only that if environment analysis is done first, after that develop a strategy, so it is called proactive. Should we write this answer here? Answer is no, because the question is strategic approach taken by Acro in 2 different situations. So help me out. What you will write the answer? Okay, if you want on the screen. Okay, acha, this is proactive. Everybody understood? This is. So help me out. Proactive. And across India, 1 lakh students giving, if they are giving SM ka paper, I'm telling you, everybody will be having different answers, but everybody's application should be same. Nobody can have theory same answer in such questions, but application should be same. Can anybody tell me out what can be the answer here, buddy? Anything, yaar. Don't be such dull ray. Acro Limited strategic approach. The strategic approach by Acro Limited is proactive and reactive. Acro is proactive. Even if the company has been doing well, then also Acro is continuously actively engaged in strengthening its brand identity, launching creative and impactful marketing campaigns, and introduce new and innovative one mark. This is our lifeline, best option. This is our 10th wala concept. If you remember, read the case study and answer the following. One mark. That's what answer has been written. And tell me reactive now. The reactive approach, Acro Limited is following reactive because there has been competition by large retailers, and to face the competition, company has quickly adapted. Okay, changing market condition, market strategies, adopt different style of marketing, counteract competitive pricings, and therefore they have followed which strategies? Reactive. I hope this clear. 2 marks done. There is no way you are required to write that whatever theory we are discussing in this book now. Because which question is going on? Question 5 will have like this only. Remember this one. And now, weirdest thought. I doubt you will be able to crack. But weirdest point. Okay, in pink color, anybody can answer anything. I don't require a correct answer. Even a wrong answer will do. But answer is required. Pink wala, explain the strategy that Acro Limited should adopt to in future to remain competitive and gain competitive advantage. Should I write proactive reactive here? Blend of proactive reactive. This is a mistake you will be doing, buddy. This is a mistake you will be doing. Clear mistake. Clear mistake you will be doing. Question here is discuss the strategic approach. Strategic. Here it is explain the. They are not asking any strategic approach. The second question is nothing to do with strategic approach. Strategic approach was discussed in the first question. That's it. First question was strategic approach. Proactive, reactive. First question. Second, ke liye what can be the question? Strategies. Na we have discussed na strategy. Had we discussed strategy today morning? Some of the strategies you are aware na. Detailed you may not be aware, but overview you are aware na. So tell me. Huh? Acha, what are the strategy you have discussed till now? Name. Strategy I am discussing. I don't want levels. I mean strategy's name. Stability, expansion, retrenchment, combination, cost leader, differentiation, focus. So tell me, okay, here what can be the answer? Okay, what can be the answer? Differentiation. Why differentiation anyway? How you crack differentiation should be the best one. Okay, because competitor is coming and basically, okay, if you focus on the earlier wording, it is introduce new and. So if the company is new and innovative products, they are launching again and again. It means their R&D is super. So they should focus on cost leader or differentiation. Differentiation. This is how the question will come. Okay, right now you are with me. Right now you are on day 1. Right now you are discussing with me. Even if you are going wrong, I am there. Okay, imagine reading this question in that 3 hours game. And in 3 hours, okay, you end up reading what language over this point? Imagine. You may end up writing anything whichever come, a generalization, which is not required at all here. So this is the first set to start with. The first question, okay, what is the first question we have did now? First question, strategic approach. Can we close on strategic approach? Yes or no? Acha, so strategic approach should be proactive or reactive? Strategic approach should be proactive or reactive, buddy? Blend of proactive and reactive. Everybody clear? Can we free steal here? Okay. Can I say like this? Okay, if I'm having a third strategy, super strategy. Okay, do I require a third management also, or management can be like any person? Matlab, my question is, do you think super strategy or third strategy substitute a management? substitute intellectual or intelligent management? Does super strategy or superb strategy is a substitute of an intellectual management or intelligent management? Acha, let me give you or in clear example. If I am having a super strategy, do I require a super management also? Matlab intelligent management, or can I appoint a BCom guy? I'm having a super strategy, third strategy. Do I need to appoint BCom guy or a chartered accountant or MBA? We are having a good strategy na. So why we require a management then? Acha, did you understood my question or not yet? Okay, my question is, strategy is super or not? Strategy is superb. Okay, so my question is, should I bring the, okay, BCom, let it become a 10th wala person? My daughter is giving 9th examination. Should I make her a management? Okay, so management. Strategy is superb. Strategy is superb. Why she should not be management here? Why the question is says that strategy is not a substitute for a stored management. You require a stored management at any cost. Why? Strategy cannot guarantee success. Why? So my question, why strategy cannot guarantee success? Because external environment. Because there can be a changes in external environment. If there is a changes in external environment, do I need to modify my strategy? Which person is, do you think strategy is automatically modified or person is required to modify the strategy? And that person should be a 10th wala guy or a clever person. So my question, strategy is a substitute for alert management? Strategy is a substitute for alert management? My friend who are in sleep, come back. Do you think strategy is substitute for alert management? Acha, did you understood the question or not? Strategy is a substitute for alert management. Yes or no? Pakka? Okay, I'm using word. Strategy is not a substitute. Am I clear? Am I correct now? Strategy is a substitute or not a substitute? So my question, can strategy be flawless? Oh, acha, what is the meaning of flawless? Flaw? Acha, what is the meaning of flaw? Flower nahi. Flaw. There are flaw in you. There are flaw in me. Example, my language is a flaw for many of them. Flaw. I hope you understood flaw. For somebody it is a flaw. For me it is my power. Everybody. So what is the meaning of flaw? Hindi kami. Kamiya. What is weak? Nahi, weak nahi. Weak is not a correct word. Lacking. Kind of lacking. Okay. Do you think flaw is lacking? Do you think strategy is flawless? Do you think strategy can be flawless? Acha, what is the meaning of flaw? Some weakness. What is the meaning of flawless? Flawless, there is no weakness. Do you think strategy will have no weakness? So strategy can be flaw or can be flawless? Can be flaw. Okay, strategy cannot be flawless. Why? Same answer. It depends on, strategies depend on external environment. An external environment, what we take, do we get an exact data or assumption? Acha, assumption will be always valid or it may change. That's it. That's how the things have. So first 2-3 things. I hope this point is very clear. Okay, SM definition we have done. Now, okay, what is an objective of SM? Everybody with me. I've discussed with you. What is an objective of SM? Acha, what is the definition of SM? What is the definition of SM? Managerial process of 5 steps, na? Acha, tell me, if I say you, Amit Tatir follows strategic management. Amit Tatir follows strategic management. Means what? What Amit Tatir does? If Amit Tatir follows strategic management, means what Amit Tatir does? Means Amit Tatir follow 5 steps. If I am saying HUL Hindustan Unilever Limited, Hindustan Unilever Limited is following 5 steps. Okay, it means Hindustan Unilever Limited is following strategic management. If I am saying, okay, HDC Bank is following SM, what does it interpret? HDC Bank is following 5 steps. Can we close on this, buddy? Yes or no? Okay. Everyone, listen. If I am saying I am following 5 steps, why 5th step is required? Why 5th step is required? Why 5th step is required? I've discussed n number of times now from today morning. To react, to whom I should react? Which environment? External. So there can be a changes in external environment which was not expected. So what is an objective SM? 2 objective SM. Everybody here, listen here. There are 2 objective SM. First objective SM. If I am following SM, there are 2 objective. First, I want to achieve. What I want to achieve before the break. Okay, I want to achieve CA. Competitive advantage. And competitive advantage automatically will come, or CC need to be developed. CC, core competency. So what is an objective SM? SM का objective क्या है? What is an objective SM? Okay, to achieve competitive advantage by developing what? Core competency, which other cannot provide. Acha, okay. Now tell me, first 4 steps. Am I developing a strategy by doing the analysis? First 4 steps. Okay, am I developing a strategy by doing analysis? Okay, I develop a formulated strategy. After strategy formulation, okay, I achieved competitive advantage. If I didn't achieve, then what I will do? Will I change according to the environment requirement? It means, second, to adapt to the changes in environment. Okay, so help me out. First of all, close the first question. How many objectives of SM are there? How many objectives of SM are there? What are the objectives of SM? To achieve competitive advantage. Now remember keyword. After that, once we highlight the book, okay, we'll go through complete word and we'll remember. While revising, while repeating, we'll remember how many keywords. So first point, how many objectives of SM are there? Though, 2 objectives. What are the 2 objectives? To achieve competitive advantage. Okay, and by focusing on core competency, I hope this point is very clear. And second, to guide the company for changes in future. To guide the company for changes in. To guide the company for changes in. Everybody with me? To guide the company for changes in future. This confirmed changes will occur or may occur. May occur. Guide the company how to adapt and other things. Okay, therefore, the first set of question comes into picture is benefits. Everybody, okay, focus on the screen or at my end. 7 benefits we need to understand, and we need to clearly focus on how 7 benefits focus on, how it goes. My question is simple, hai? Okay, and I'll be asking some certain questions. Please do interact and do tell me. Do you think strategic management gives you direction for the future? Answer is yes always, because I'll be asking you that question only. But tell me how it is yes. Acha, I will throw this if voice is not there. My first question, if I'm telling Amit Tadar is following SM, means 5 steps. So remember these 5 steps and answer my point. First, does SM provides direction? Help me out how? SM provides direction. I want an answer. Don't look into notes. How SM provides direction? You are already aware about 5 steps. Okay, which step is providing a direction to you? Huh? Analysis. Does analysis provide a direction? No. Analysis give you the data. Analysis will give you a data. Okay. Develop what? Vision, mission, goals, objectives. While reading notes, I will require this content. So while revising, I am revising easily. But while reading notes, how it develops, what is the first advantage of SM? SM provides direction by providing vision, mission, goals and objectives. I hope this point is very clear. Are yes or no? Second point, second point. Do you think SM is proactive or reactive? Technically देखा जाए तो both है, proactive भी है, reactive भी है. It is both. But right now, okay, SM. If you focus on SM, I'm going step wise. Step 1, step 2, step 3. When you develop a strategy, after doing analysis or without analysis? After doing analysis or without analysis? Everybody, so tell me, after doing the analysis, okay, so you are developing a study. It means you are proactive or reactive. So SM, second point, second advantage. SM helps organization to be proactive rather than being only spectator. Wait, oh, what will happen? I will see in future. Let's focus on future. No, we are planning on starting basis. The second point, SM is. Acha, so how many first two advantage? Okay, first point. First, okay, so we'll tune up, ekdam aaram se. First question we have completed, objective SM. How many objective SM are there? Two. What are the two objective SM? To achieve competitive advantage. Okay, perfect. Adapt the changes in environment. So to guide the company, okay, for the changes in environment. Second, how many benefits of SM are there? 7. First benefit, SM provides what? Okay, SM helps entity organization to be rather than being merely a spectator. Rather than merely being a spectator. Third point, understand, SM provides framework. SM provides framework. Sir, what is the meaning of framework? What is the meaning of framework? What is the meaning of framework, B? Framework, huh? This is the framework. Perfect. A framework means what? Ideas. Overall idea. Near about. It provides ideas about. Okay. Does SM says directly launch the product or do the analysis? Does it says directly launch the product or do the analysis? Which analysis it does? Organization and environment. In environment, what analysis? External means environment. What analysis? External. What analysis I will do? Competitors data. Market analysis. Who share is how much? Customer preferences. Okay. Changes in laws and regulations. Do you think government also plays a role? Government, which government is there? Changes in government policies, government, this will also help it out. It says, okay, by following SM, you get a framework of everything. SM provides framework because SM tells you to do the analysis. SM tells you to do the, and by doing the analysis, you get the ideas about products, market, customer, laws, regulations, everything. So SM does not provide only one point, it provides a roadmap. So it provides a framework. Bharat Mata ki hai. Everybody clear? Okay, so first SM screen pe hi hai. SM provides how acha. The answer is in statement form, not head point masala. Head point masala. What is meaning of head point masala? One question we have seen, that opportunity threats wala question. Do you remember right now? Like this. This one. This question. Head point, content. This is called head point masala. I use the word masala. Masala is aware? Masala. This is masala. Head point, masala. Right now, the question which we are doing is only a statement form. It is not head point and masala or head point or content. It is a statements. But statement in an extension statement. This is only to revise. But what is an extension? This is a habit which we need to form by tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Because this is how we will be remembering everything. So while revising, I'll focus on these words. While reading, we'll read the content which I'm discussing with you. And while revising again, to retain, you focus on this. And while reading the book, you can read the content ahead again. So tell me, SM provides? SM provides? Okay, direction means what? Vision, mission, goals, objectives. I hope clear, buddy. Second, SM is proactive or reactive? Proactive. Okay, means what? Organization do analysis first and then develop a strategy. Third point, organization, it provides what? Framework means it provides the data about customer, external word, customer, market, products, okay, law, regulations, everything clear, buddy? Yes or no? Okay. SM provides framework. Everybody clear? Okay. Do you think SM wants you to do analysis first or develop a strategy first? Analysis first or strategy first? Analysis. In analysis, which analysis you will do? Internal, external. I don't know whether you have heard this word or not, but this word is very important in everybody's life. And this word is always called as SWOT. What is SWOT? Weakness, opportunity, threats. While driving, I come by driving. I always love driving. This is my passion mode. Driving, complete driving. Okay, my driving is very safe. Okay, I never go above 90, 80 and 90 is the maximum speed limit. Okay, and I go with the safe driving. Almost I ensure lane I don't cut. My question, this is my strength, weakness, opportunity or threat? This is my strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. Weakness. I'm not doing length cutting and weakness. I understood current generation. Okay, current generation is एकदम clear. They don't know what we need. मतलब कभी you are aware ना? There are indicators. When you take right indicator, I never seen this. People never ever. Okay, right. Okay, I am taking right. You should be aware. But nevertheless, okay, I'm telling you, I follow the rules. I blow the indicator on time. I don't cut the lane. This is my strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. Strength. Everybody clear? Okay. Second, it is not an example, but I'm just giving I feel fatigue while driving. I exhaust while driving. After 15-20 minutes, I exhaust. This is strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. This is not opportunity. This is not threat. Threat, na? I am fatigue. Threat. No, this is weakness. While I was coming to Udupi, complete road was blank. No traffic. Opportunity. And this time I didn't took the road of Kolhapur and this one. I came from thoda longer route because recently batch was ended. So in that few students were there. So I told them that I'm going to Udupi. So I took the route of Solapur, Hubli, and almost a longer route. Okay, I don't know which place was there. It's near 40 kilometers from Udupi. If we go straight, it's Murdeshwar and road. But the other way around from that direction, I don't know, but steep valley was there. When I was coming down, it was 20 kilometers. Okay, 20 kilometers. It took me 50 minutes. The steep valley was there. Traffic was there. Okay, the sunset point people were there. 40 kilometers odd. I will just look into map and tell you the name. But that was, it's 40 kilometers that side. Towards the Hubli side. Okay, 3? Any idea? I forgot the name yesterday. But that name is not easy to read. Now what do we say? The road was so steep. It was like this and like this. U-turn. Huh? Agu paint. Okay, that's sunset point is also there. Huh? People come, stand. That's only. Steep down and turn, ekdam khatanak turn. Ghat, complete ghat. Complete, and it's straight ghat. You go down, zigzag. Now tell me, this road is like this. It is what? It is my strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. Threats. You're so clear in concept. So just apply this concept in organization. If organization is saying, I am having good finances, strength, okay. Government is bringing a policy to ban the product. Government is bringing the policy to block the product. Threats, okay. The government policy will provide innovative or subsidy to us. Perfect. Okay, I am not having human resource here. Good people are not there. So what is the difference between strength, weakness and opportunity threats? internal, external. Whenever we do analysis of internal, it is always a strength and weakness. Whenever we do the external analysis, it is always two things, opportunity and threats. Everybody clear? Yes or no? Acha, you can read theory well. Strength. Okay, this is strength. Remember this one. But institute paper is more practical. Weakness. यार blunder करे हो यार. It's a threat ना? Okay, you are very good at theory, but the paper was more practical. Threat, but you are good at theory. Strength or opportunity. Strength. Paper was easy. Paper was very small. Case study never came. Opportunity. Complete paper was case study. Threat. Okay, I hope this point, I hope you are getting the point. Yes or no? Okay, I'm a manufacturer of car. I can manufacture automatic car very quickly at a lowest cost. Opportunity or strength? Opportunity, na? Strength. People are shifting from manual car to automated cars. Opportunities. People are shifting from automated car to manual cars. Threats for automatic car. I hope this point is very clear. So whenever we do the analysis of environment, it is always whenever environment. Yeah, this hand is this environment. This hand is this, our environment. So this hand is which environment? Our environment internal. This. Remember this. External. Everybody clear? So in external, what I look for? In external, what I look for? In internal, what I look for? Strength and weakness. Can we close on this? Paka. So when I do SWOT analysis, what I do? When I do SWOT analysis, what I do? Basically, 5 steps of SM. Second step is analysis, SWOT. I understood. 5 steps. What are the 5 steps? I hope you remember. Second was which analysis? Organization. In organization, what I do? Strength and weakness. And environment means. Second point is what about? SWOT analysis. I hope you are getting the point. Yes or no? People are shifting to this bottle. They are not preferring plastic bottle. People are shifting to this bottle from plastic. Opportunity, sir. Right? Strength? Strength, weakness? No, na? People are shifting. What it is? It's a per se. From which organization you are looking? If you are looking from Bisleri point of view, threat. But from you are focusing from eco-friendly products point of view, opportunity. I hope it's a opportunity. Whether it is opportunity or threat depends. Suppose institute tomorrow bring one new subject in syllabus, and that is a practical subject. For me, threats. Reason simple, because for me, I'm very good at theory. I'm not good at practical. Because I'm very keen with talking. In practical, less talking, doing. So I will not be happy. If I want to be happy, I want to be talking. Yeah, that's what I enjoy my life. I hope I'm talking with you. Everybody understood? So help me out. Opportunity threats is external or internal? This hand. And strength and weakness? Internal. So fourth advantage of SM. SM ka fourth advantage. It's prepare. Okay, it's prepare. It prepare organization to face the future. It prepare organization to face the. Don't focus on my writing. Future is very good. Writing may not be good. I know. Oh, writing is good also. Oh. Deliberately, I don't write in good handwriting. Deliberately, because see, it will not be good for you, na. You will think a person what he can do, he's so qualified also, everything. Therefore, I I do some things that you think, okay, normal human. Otherwise, I'm superhuman, buddy. I'm not from this earth. I hope you understand. You're from earth. I came from some other. Are you aware about Jupiter? Near Jupiter, one more planet is there. Pluto. Who was from Pluto? Huh? अच्छा तो ओवरऑल टोटल अच्छा डंपिंग ग्राउंड इज दिस भाई ओके अपना दोस्त मतलब कुछ भी हुआ ही हैज डन ओके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ओ तो माय फ्रेंड्स SM helps organization to face the future. How I can face the future? Bhai, I'm doing which analysis? I'm doing which analysis? In external analysis, I'm focusing on opportunity and threats also now. Before opportunity will be capitalized by other, I can identify the opportunity and develop a product for it. Because I'm doing which analysis? External. And then I can grab the opportunity. This is what a content for this point. Prepare organization to face the future. Prepare organization to face the. Okay. So what are the 4 advantages, buddy? Everybody easy answer hai? Acha, I hope answer is very clear na. So 4 advantages. First, SM provides. Look at me. SM provides. SM is framework. Third word. Everybody clear? Excel. Face the future. And environment ko. If you are ready for environment, you are facing the future. Why Nokia fail? No, acha Nokia. Are you aware about Nokia? No. Nokia. Is Nokia successful or failure? Why? They didn't adapt the changes. Were they market leader once upon a time? Answer is yes. Superb. Kodak. Had you heard about Kodak? Camera. They were into camera and they were saying, Nokia were saying, we are king. We are monopoly. We will not change. Let people change. People change Nokia. You need to understand survival. Please understand survival of the fittest. But the person who is a large organization is not fit. The person who is adaptive to changes is fit. And this should be done in every sense. Right now, there may be a generation gap between you and your dad and mom, or me exactly. What happens? I'm telling you, okay, you next generation, there will be a generation gap with technology, and you will not be ready for that adaptability. Ready for that adaptability? Survival is very clear. So, survival of the fittest. Who is the fittest? Large organization or changing organization? Remember this one. This is very good, true sense of concept. So, bhai saab, 4th point. Okay, SM. Okay, helps organization to face the future. Okay, and future lies in internal environment or external environment? External environment. It is not in internal environment future. Example, right now you are the future for me because you are external environment. You are not the internal environment for Trisha. Huh? For Trisha, who is internal environment? I or you? For Trisha, who is internal environment? Me is internal environment. You are not internal environment. You are abiding rules and regulation. That is a different element. But you are an external environment. You will decide, okay, what changes is required, whether changes is required or not. You are internal, external environment. But employees, internal. Infrastructure facilities, internal. Their finance, other things, internal. Bhai sahab, I hope everybody clear? Yes or no? Okay. 5th point. Oh, very basic. Tell me, if I follow SM, okay, my chances of failure? The chances of failure is 0 or less. Everybody agree? So, yaad rakhna, remember, SM creates corporate defense mechanism. SM creates defense mechanism, okay, which reduce the chances of failure. So, help me out. Okay, how it reduces the chances of failure? How it reduces the chances of failure? How SM reduce the chances of failures? Okay, tell me, SM directly prepare a strategy or does the analysis? So, am I aware about the products? Am I aware about the market changes? Our chances of failure, mistakes will be less. This is your next advantage to be focused on. Acha, help me out. SM, because of SM, our business will be, what we say is, business will go for a longer duration or it will be end in shorter duration. If I follow SM, okay, so SM provides longevity. SM provides, why SM provides longevity? Explain. And tomorrow I will show you one RTP question, okay, where this only point was asked based on that question. It helps us to prepare for a future. Okay, so I did the analysis, but this analysis will be 100% sure. So what does it help? Is SM only proactive or reactive also? Does it help to adapt also? And therefore it prepares the organization for longevity. Longevity, whatever pronunciation is there, you do. Okay, spelling should be this only. Okay, there may be a issue with pronunciation sometimes. The pronunciations may be different to the extent. But my friends, whatever pronunciation is there, spelling should be this. Longevity, everybody clear? And last point, help me out. SM, what is the objective of SM? Oh, objective of SM. Objective of SM. To adapt. First. To achieve. So how you will achieve competitive advantage? Core competency. One more advantage of SM. Okay, it helps organization to focus on CC and it helps to achieve CA. So how many benefits of SM are there? 7. Okay, so everybody on the screen. On the screen, towards me, not on the screen. Here. Okay, leave. Here. Everyone. SM. Direction. SM is proactive or reactive? Framework. Prepare for future. Remember, future lies in environment. Everybody clear? Once again, SM prepares, SM provides. Okay, face the future. Wall. It creates corporate defense mechanism. Everybody clear? Okay. Longevity. It creates a longevity. Everybody clear? And focus on my CC and CA. Core competency and competitive advantage. So 2 questions we have discussed right now. First question was objective SM. How many objective SM are there? 2 objectives. What are the 2 objectives, buddy? To achieve competitive advantage and okay, to guide the company for adapting in changes in future. Second, how many benefits of SM are there? 7. 7, huh? Provides keywords. I want only keywords, buddy. After that, automatically you will remember. Proactive. Framework. Face the future. Wall. Corporate defense mechanism. Longevity. And my CC and CA. Core competency, competitive advantage. Everybody clear? Yes or no? Pakka. Everybody understood the concept? Okay, again I'm telling you, okay, on one concept also I can ask the question. So just be clear. It's not only to ratify this point. Ratify this point would be 5 minutes hardly. I spent 15 minutes only to make you understand the keyword of the next one, which will be an impactful point from examination point of view. So right now, okay, we have discussed this one. On last question we'll discuss for the day. And tomorrow morning, at what time we are meeting? Don't miss out at 10, huh? We'll be starting at 10 and 10 to evening, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. 10 to what time is there? 5 or 5:30? 5. 5:30, na? 5. No. Oh. And Sunday, what timing is there? 8:30 to 5:30. 5:30. मेरे को लगता है because I stay here. What happens in my life? But 5. And from Monday onwards, okay, 5 lectures odd is required with 3 o'clock will end, same timing, 3:15. And last lecture will be there. Okay, depends on Friday ka how session is going. So this is what your target is there. Don't miss out single lecture. If you miss single lecture, I hope you understood. Okay, so you understood how linkage is done. And suppose today's lecture you missed out, and tomorrow when you come, I hope you are understanding how much things you can miss with a concept. Every concept I cannot teach again and again. I can do repeats, and that I'm doing also. I hope you have seen since morning. Okay, and this repeats mitigate the risk. Okay, which risk? You are doing revision at home or you are not doing revision at home, doesn't matter. Automatically, this will be revised again and again. So my repeats, and sometime it happens. My it's strength also, a weakness also. I speak sometime quicker. So because of repeats, that risk is mitigated. So if sometime you are somewhere else and my data gone somewhere else, it happened, na? Okay, so after food, you were somewhere else. This side was somewhere else only. When I was looking here, everybody, there's why. Positive, joking, huh, buddy? My mistake, sir. I was sleeping. I need to be very alert. Huh? I am at a different city altogether. I don't know what will happen to me. I happen and I just check it out, body and other things also. So depending on, uh, body is okay. Hey, why? What he will do? Huh? Mm. So sometimes I'm afraid of people around me. Sometimes I'm joking. I was not serious at all. Okay. So my friends, what I want to make you understand is conceptual discussion. Don't miss out the lecture. And tomorrow you only this book. And if you want to write anything in Fullscape and other things, you can bring it out. So from tomorrow, this book is required. Day after tomorrow, we will require this one also. Tomorrow I'll be giving a homework for this one. So I'll start tomorrow morning only. So tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock, sequence should be how much? Break, when is break is required then? 10, 11:30 will take one time out. And 10 minutes time out I'll take. 11:30, 10 to 11:30 and 11:40, 11:45 to 1. And after that, again, same session. See you tomorrow. Hasta la vista. Tada. Bye-bye. Hey, I was afraid when I entered, everybody, attack aata tha bhai. But I hope everybody is clear with the concept. Okay, and let 2 days pass, 2 to 3 days, volume will start. And when volume starts, quantity begins. And that's major point. And my target is very clear. Last day, okay, everything should be recallable. Clear? Complete syllabus. That much brain data is required to be processed. So see you tomorrow. Hasta la vista. Bye.